Mental health experts are raising alarm about the lasting psychological impact of Hurricane Melissa on children. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Wendell Abel says he's observed troubling signs of emotional and psychological distress, particularly among young people. Shamila Pullen reports.
The trauma from Hurricane Melissa still lingers. Residents in areas hardest hit by the Category 5 storm have reported feeling anxious. A team of medical professionals have been providing support and counseling to the victims, particularly children showing signs of psychological difficulties. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Wendell Abel says many of them are grappling with fear, anxiety, and emotional instability. Some are also exhibiting signs of mental trauma, including heightened anxiety and emotional distress triggered by the prospect of another major storm.
My heart goes out to the children because a lot of them have also, especially the older ones, would have gone through the pandemic, right, several years ago. And we know how their lives would have been impacted, the learning loss because of the problems with schools being destroyed and so on. Their community spaces, you know, places where they would go to play, the veranda at the house, under the tree, the garden in the yard.
He explained that natural disasters are recognized as one of the major causes of childhood trauma.
A child who used to be quiet may begin to show out of control behavior, may become talkative, a little disruptive in class, yes? The child who may be very hyperactive and engaging may suddenly become withdrawn and quiet, yes? Some other children may show what we call regressive behavior. So, and especially so in younger children who start to wet the bed and they suck their thumb. Regressive behavior because of the impact of trauma. With
another hurricane season upon us, Dr. Abel is urging parents and caregivers to remain vigilant.
We have to, you know, well, you will realize after the hurricane, a lot of agencies and organizations have gone out into communities to create wellness spaces, safe spaces where children can gather together, they can play, because it's through play and interacting with each other that they help to get an opportunity to work through their trauma and to process the pain and process the emotions and all of that sort of thing. So we've been doing a lot of that. Teachers have been trained to be able to work better with children and to begin to identify the behavioral changes, to help them to process their emotions and to provide and to better.
Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.